Well, I'm going to that exhibition, so
to do Orpheus to the music of Igor Stravinsky.
This week was mostly about getting in the groove and setting up a schedule that I can follow. So every day I just go into studio and get some work done and just spend quite a lot of hours just figuring out what I need to do before the tutorials on Friday.
Yes!
hi everyone. So it's Monday and I wanted to just do a quick update. So basically, I feel like it's literally the first official week of like the unit starting and everything, and I'm really kind of feeling a bit overwhelmed because there's just too much things I want to do. Like I want to do all these drawings and I just feel like there's not enough time to do them, and then while I want to do the drawings, there's like other errands I have to run, like grocery shopping, like meal prepping, and I'm like, oh, where is all the time in the world gone? And it's just crazy, and I'm just trying to tell myself that, you know, it's okay, take it step by step, you can do this, just try your best. And yeah, it's literally the first day of going back to studio and I'm already overwhelmed, so just gotta take it step by step, and I'm gonna make some dinner now.
Tuesday morning to afternoon lunchtime is usually when history starts. So this week we're still listening to history lectures, and I just took some notes while also doing some drawings for my design studio project.
So it's almost 1 o'clock. If you can see it there, I'm gonna have to select my seminar group.
So selecting a seminar group usually means that you're picking into a specific group that are doing topics that you're interested in. So for me, that would be kind of like about colonialism and the difference between the West and the non-West with its architectural stuff.
Yay! Don't need to. I'm sure a lot of people are crashing on this website, but I got the seminar group I want for history. Yay! All right, time to go to studio. If you're wondering what a Bartlett student's life is, this is basically it. In the morning, I do my own thing, and then I literally spend like 5 to 6 hours in the studio just doing work. I was looking through my footage and I was like, there's literally nothing interesting because I'm just working every single day. Like, there's literally no variation. So I hope this video will be interesting. Hopefully there's some exciting stuff happening the next few days of this week, but yeah, that's how life is going so far. Quite overwhelmed actually, but it's all right. Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. So I'm just showing you guys that I'm ready to go to Bartlett's studio, and I'm just getting my lunch ready. So I feel like I don't say this a lot, but one of the huge parts I think is really important for, I don't know, maintaining a good healthy university life is like meal prepping. And yeah, and I think meal prepping is really important, especially for me, I guess, because I'm vegan, obviously.
So yeah, just quite important, I think, to keep the structure, and it saves time. You do all of your cooking in one go and then you just get everything ready. So let's get ready to go to Bartlett.
So the Bartlett toilet's the best place to be at, in case you're wondering what the toilet looks like. There you go. I don't know why I'm filming this. I think it's the toilet just gives me memories of like when I was in year 1 and I was just crying in the corner because I was so homesick. There you go. This is the Bartlett toilet. Oh, we're done. Oh, okay. Sorry that I'm filming you. I'm not filming your face though.
My food was very stupid though.
It was very good.
It's very stupid. It comes in 3 parts. It just looks dumb.
Fridays are tutorial days, which is basically when you meet up with your tutors and show them what you've done for this week. Usually people will present them in whatever format you'd like, and I'm just doing a bit of work before I go into my tutorials and show the tutors what I've done for this week.
Oh, why you don't land your knees? You did it.
I can do it!
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
my god, I can hold it!
Yeah. Knock it out. Yay!
Welcome to my balcony! So I realized that I never really truly explained like the structure and the routine of Bartlett student life. So for 2nd and 3rd year, basically me in 3rd year now, we have tutorials once a week. So tutorials is basically when you show your tutors all of the work that you've produced during the entire week leading up to the tutorial. So you tell them what you've been working on this week, where you think the project is heading, and then they will give you feedback and lots of references, and that's sort of how the design project works. I know people have been asking me about the modules, so obviously each year the modules are different, but in 3rd year we have 3 modules. The first one is the design module, where you do your main design work and you're graded heavily on that. It's like 75 credits, I think. And then you have a history essay to write and another design technology report where you focus on, oh, how does these building parts work in your project. Obviously in year 1 and year 2 is different. I don't know if this will be relevant information, but I think it's all on the website somehow. But yeah, that's kind of how the structure is laid out. So every week I prefer to go into Bartlett studio every single day because I think that's how it works for me as a routine. But some people, for example, my friend, she prefers to work at home. Maybe she goes into the studio like 2 or 3 times, or maybe just half a day. It all depends on you. It's very free, but on tutorial days you're kind of expected to be in studio when it's your tutorial time. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, how often you go in the studio is really up to you, and just all up in the air. You make the decision. Usually every week I give myself a rest day, and for me this would be the day after the tutorial, and I just let myself do other things that is not related to the design project. which sadly at the same time I also have to do my history reading for my history module. So I'm just spending Saturday reading some very dense history reading. But apart from that, I still have time to do things I like editing videos. Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a little bit of a check-in because it's been 1 week since school started. Obviously, it's a lot of getting back into routine, but it's really nice to see everybody in the studio and establishing my routine. As you can tell, my days are kind of the same. That's why I was like, oh, is this interesting enough, like as a vlog? Because every day is the same. I go into studio and I just do work. But it is really nice. Yesterday I had tutorials and I was kind of nervous because it was the first tutorial, but it was really nice to like get back into the groove of showing work and stuff, and hopefully I'll do a good project this year. And yeah, now I'm just doing a lot of history reading and it's just taking so much time, and I'm wondering if my English is just trash because it's so hard to read dense academic material. Yeah. And another thing I wanted to say is seriously a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. I've seen Dan, my tutor, who has just really been supportive of my podcast and the channel, so thank you, Dan. And also just people who come up to me in Bartlett, thank you so much. I feel really weird about it because I don't know, it's just weird, I guess, posting content online, isn't it? But genuinely, thank you so much for the love. Even people that I don't see in Bartlett, like people who has been leaving comments on my videos and like secretly just giving me thumbs up. I just want to say I appreciate it a lot, and I'm really glad that I'm able to help everyone. And I'm sorry if I don't get to your questions on Instagram because third year has just been really hectic. Apart from schoolwork, I have lots of things I have to deal with, but from the bottom of my heart, really thank you so much. I didn't expect this support, and just thank you so much, and I will just work harder to produce more good content. And yeah. So yeah, you did see this right. I am spending Sunday in the studio, but to my surprise, it was actually really nice because the studio was quite empty and I spent some good time with my friend there and just got some work done. It wasn't that rushed or any pressure. It was just kind of nice to do work when the studio is really empty. And yeah, after that, we went to see a movie, No Time to Die, James Bond.